Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at the eufyCam E40 2-cam kit. And Eufy sent us this for the review. Now, keep in mind, this is the model that comes with the Homebase 2. They also have a model of this that comes with the Homebase S380. Well, they were right, 2-cam kit, a Homebase 2 in this case, an accessory box, 2 cameras, and the Homebase. Now, this is the Homebase 2. Like I said, they also comes with a different model with the S380 Homebase. This Homebase has 16 gigabytes of built-in storage, and these cameras connect up through this, and they record everything through the Homebase 2. Right? They also come with solar panels, which is really neat because it's built in. And I can tell you, we have some older models of these, and they work great. As long as you got sunlight on them, they'll keep the power on the cameras all the time. So let's take off the covers. Now, what I like about this model here, these are 2K cameras, and they have color night vision. And I'm looking forward to trying that out and see how good the color night vision is. All right, directions. Some, looks like, must be mounting stickers. A eufy security sticker. Nope, couple of mounts. One for mounting the camera, each of the cameras. We need a cable here for Ethernet, hook it up to the network. Power supply for this. A whole bunch of screws. And the USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C cable for initially charging these up. What's interesting about this kit is that, like I said, these are color night vision. They have solar power on them and everything else, and they record through the Homebase too, which is kind of nice. Now, the other thing that's interesting about this is they have a long-range module coming out. So these cameras, and I actually took the door off here. So they take this little part off of this. Normally you plug everything into this port here, this USB-C port right here. But these cameras come with an extra USB-C port, and that is for that long-range module, and it's coming out later. I don't have that with us right now, but that's where it goes. So if you're wondering what's behind this door, it's that second USB port. And by the way, one thing nice about this is that because you're using a Homebase, you can actually use these cameras with Apple Home. All right, so I think I've shown you everything that's there. I'm going to go off and install this, and let's see how well it works. We have a lot of eufy cameras attached to Homebase S380s, so we installed the two eufyCam E40s there. Adding the cameras is easy. Just follow the app instructions, press Add, select Battery Camera, and then eufyCam E40. If you have more than one Homebase, select which one to pair with. Keep in mind when you pair, the camera needs to be right next to the Homebase. Pairing is easy. Just press the sync button on the camera. Once it pairs, you can install it where you plan to use it. We put one E40 up on our arbor looking towards the bird feeder, and the other on a pole so we could see down the side of our yard. There is streaming quality and recording quality. We leave the streaming quality at auto, so if our network struggles, we still see the playback. For recording quality, we set it to the max setting of 2K resolution. We set the motion detection to human recognition, where it will know it's me, human detection, so it will detect strangers, and pet. We have even seen a squirrel on the cam. At night, there are 3 settings: standard, spotlight, and infrared. Standard makes the most of the existing lighting and shows color. With the spotlight setting, the camera will record in color since the camera lights come on for motion. Setting to infrared, it records in black and white. You can decide which will work best for your environment. The Homebase stores recorded motion events, and you can pull them up in the Events tab and even filter them by camera, detection type, and so on. And of course, download them to your phone. We recorded me walking back and forth from one side of our arbor to the other. I did this in the daytime and at night using standard night vision. The arbor cam in the daytime picked me up only slightly ahead of when the night vision saw me. What is amazing is the quality of the 2K resolution, both day and night. When I came into view of the backyard E40, both day and night tests picked me up right away, again with clear pictures, though the daytime camera followed me a little bit further. And on return, both day and night tests picked me up at the same point and followed me through. The same with the ArborCam. Good motion detection and clear picture day or night. If you're looking for an easy to set up, solid system to cover your backyard, this system is a good candidate. Thank you for watching.